Hey Nash, what should we make?
Let's make something crispy, sticky, and suspiciously responsible.
All right, let's make teriyaki crispy rice and chicken bowls. Welcome back to Chaos Kitchen, where we believe eating healthy doesn't mean eating boring. Today we're gonna make another viral recipe we saw a video of. It was a teriyaki crispy rice and chicken bowl. It looks like it'll be super easy, looks like it'll be a great thing to meal prep, but the question is, will it be good? Hopefully the answer is yes, but let's go find out together. Without further ado, let's go. So first we gotta make our crispy teriyaki rice. So we get out a bowl, about 2 cups of cooked day-old rice, or you can get the rice that's like the microwave rice, but don't microwave it, just pour it in as is. Just make sure there's no lumps or clumps.
What about lovely lady lumps?
My lovely lady lumps. Check it out.
Then to this we add about 3 tablespoons of teriyaki sauce, a tablespoon of toasted sesame oil, and I don't know, a tablespoon of honey. Then we get that all mixed up. Make sure all your rice is coated. You want to preheat your oven to 400. Then we get out a baking sheet. We transfer our rice. Probably want to line that with some parchment or one of these like silicone mat deals. Get all your rice out there. You just want to, the guy in the video used a rolling pin, but I don't know. I don't think it's really necessary. Just get it pressed out like that. If you want to use a rolling pin, knock yourself out. And we're gonna throw this in the oven at 400 for 20 minutes or until the rice is nice and crispy. And here's our rice, nice and crispy, right out of the oven. And then we let this cool, because it's hot. So then we're gonna take about a pound of chicken. This is just leftover rotisserie chicken. So any kind of cooked chicken is fine. And this is already shredded and cut up a little bit. I just wanna cut it up into, make sure there's no big chunks. So like bite-sized pieces or whatever pieces you want. It's your teriyaki, whatever chicken salad. I don't know exactly what we're calling this thing. Crispy rice teriyaki bowl, something or other. So just, you know, it doesn't need to be like a fine dice. Just, I didn't want any big chunks. That'll do, pig. That'll do. Then we want 1 cucumber, but if you got a big old hog like this one, I'm thinking we take half of it. And then I'm just gonna cut this into quarters and then, again, bite-sized pieces. That'll do. Then we have a red bell pepper. Use whatever kind of pepper you want. Yellow, green, whatever. This one's, oh look, it's got some prizes inside. And then once again, bite-sized pieces. So whatever you think seems right, do that. And then we have some green onions. I'm just gonna cut the tops off and then dice these guys up or slice them up, whatever the proper terminology happens to be. Then we're gonna make a little bit of a healthy-ish teriyaki sauce. So, or a healthy-ish, yeah, healthy-ish teriyaki-ish sauce. So we go in with about half a cup to a cup of Greek yogurt. That looks about right. About 3 tablespoons of teriyaki sauce, a little bit of sriracha, some honey. Get that all mixed up. Delicious. Clean up your mess. And then I'm gonna transfer this to this bowl here.
Dude, that's definitely not a bowl.
Sorry, this container here. So it's pourable, squeezable, whatever you wanna call it. Then we take out some sort of large bowl, container, whatever you choose. And we get our rice, our crispy rice, put that in there. Then we add our chicken and our veggies, and we get that all mixed up. And then we can portion this out. This is a great thing for meal prep. Make yourself a nice little, I don't know how many portions. I'll put the portions in the macros in the recipe. There we go. It looks pretty good. And then we put our sauce on there, give it some extra greens, and there we go. And there we have our teriyaki crispy rice and chicken bowl, or whatever we're calling it. There it is. And it's time for a bite. Cheers. That is way better than I expected it to be. It's super simple. It didn't take long. I really like the texture that the crispy rice brings, rather than just making it with like normal cooked rice. The chicken and the veggies bring a ton of healthiness, but it all ties together, and that sauce really brings it all together. And overall, this is like actually a super healthy meal, really easy to meal prep, and it's still delicious. So it passes our test of, can we make stuff a little healthier without sacrificing flavor? This is pretty bomb. I highly recommend trying it. And like I said, super easy to make. I mean, all in all, if you're using, like, you gotta chop the veggies. If you have some leftover chicken, or if you cook that the night before, whatever, it takes you 20 minutes to cook the rice. And other than that, you're pretty much done. Boom, boom, boom. Out of 10. And hey, that's what I think. But let's see what Nash thinks. Hey, bud, how you doing?
Pretty good. I realized the first person to eat an oyster had absolutely no reason to believe that was going to work.
Well, check it out. We made this healthy-ish crispy rice and chicken bowl you wanted. And of course, we made a dog-friendly version just for you. Well, here you go. What do you think?
That's really good. The crispy rice turns a responsible little chicken bowl into something I'd actually get excited about.
Anything you want to say to your fans?
If you accidentally make eye contact with a dog in another car, you're friends now. Those are the rules.
Nash approves, I approve. Another dish showing you can make things healthier without sacrificing flavor and still have a banging chaos dish. Thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate you all. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. And hey, if you want to see more of our awesome, crazy, delicious videos, go check them out somewhere over here. And just remember, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. Until next time, be good and peace.